today's video is kind of a day in the life. So as you can see, I am here at the coffee stand. I am closing today, so I'll be here 12 to 6. I just thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with. I hope you guys enjoy, and with all that being said, let's get into it. So being a barista, everyone makes coffee different. So the first thing that I do when I get here is I just kind of like make the stand my own, get it set up for me. So I am just cleaning up some stuff. I'm going to start a sink of water just because I'm gonna wash some dishes and just get them out of my way. These little tins are great, but I prefer the big ones, which I'll show you, for these ones over everything. It's just the big ones. There's another one of these on the other side, so I don't need that. I typically like to have just one spoon and 2 whisks. So a very large part of working in a coffee stand is cleaning, because you get busy and you dirty dishes and you dirty the counter, and so every free second you are cleaning and restocking. So I just thought it'd be kind of cool if I left you guys here, showed me restocking. So it might be kind of boring, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it in fast forward. And I'll probably end up having a car show up and have like a rush time.
Yeah, we'll see.
So the stand right now is pretty clean. So I wanted to show you guys our chore list. So this is like our daily chores. So we've got like wipe out the small fridge, clean the racks, wipe down all these things, mop and sweep. And then we've got the weekly chores. So the only thing I've done so far is clean out the microwave. But I'll probably try to, okay, I got interrupted. But anyways, okay, I keep getting interrupted, but basically I'm just trying to tell you guys that when things are quiet, I'm gonna work on the weekly chores. That's it. Also, I apparently was feeling quite bold today when I decided to wear not only white on top, but white shoes. No matter how many years of experience you have making coffee, which I have 4 in case you're asking, I'm still a klutz. Okay, so I am ready for another coffee, but I've also been back on my like health and fitness journey. So I am gonna show you guys what I've been making that is just kind of like a healthier alternative. I get questions all the time about like what is like a more healthy coffee, and there's a couple of things. So first of all, there's obviously sugar-free everything, and sugar-free is 0 calorie, and it's generally better for you as far as macros go. So this is sugar-free cookie dough. It is sweetened with Splenda. I'm gonna make myself a 20 ounce, which gets 2 ounces of flavor, but because it's sugar-free, I can justify making it a little extra sweet. So we're gonna go to 2.5 ounces, if there's enough in this bottle. Nope, 2 ounces. I guess we're doing 2 ounces. So then I'm just gonna pour it into my cream. I know that I literally just talked about having stomach issues with dairy. What can I say? I like to live life on the edge. But also, I could use an alternative milk, but alternative milks usually have sugar in them. Half and half is really just the way to go. I also do my coffee Americano style, so instead of being like espresso flavor and then the rest milk, it's espresso flavor, a splash of cream, and if there's room, which I like a lot of ice, so there's not usually any room, it's water. So it's the lowest calorie type of coffee, and it really does have less milk too. So that's what I do. So I'm gonna leave you guys over here while I pour my espresso shots, just because if somebody pulls up, I don't want them to see that I'm recording. But this is what we keep our white coffee in, and like I said, it's made from nuts and seeds, so you don't have to tamp it. This is what the espresso looks like. It's kind of yellow, which is why a lot of people call it blonde espresso, but also it doesn't burn, so I can sit in these shot glasses as long as you want, and it doesn't burn. White coffee, you can pour shots through them twice because it has just so much in it, where with regular espresso you can't do that. So because I can do it, I'm going to do it, so I'm gonna do 4 shots. So then this is what I have so far. I'm gonna shove as much ice into this as I possibly can. So I am going to first of all clean up my mess really quick, put everything back, refill the chocolate chip cookie dough since I stole all of it, and then I'm gonna go through my pictures, send them to Hannah. Okay, we're gonna see how this goes. It is almost 4 o'clock now. I am starving. I'm ready for some food. I have you balancing on the toaster, but one of my favorite things about this stand is that we have bagels, and these are the little packets that we use for like the avocado spread, and it's really good. So I'm gonna make some of that. I ran outside to take a picture of my avocado toast, of course, for like my story and the thumbnail, all that. And I got interrupted, of course. I'm gonna like scarf this down really quick, and then it's gonna be just about time to close. And so I'm gonna tell you guys kind of like my closing process. But anyways, BRB. Okay, I'm back. So it is about 4:30. It is time for me to start closing. So you kind of start closing really early, but it goes in phases. The first step is stocking and refilling, and then the second step is washing most of your dishes after closing, when you clean the rest of your dishes in the machine and do the till. The ultimate goal is that you leave everything that you have to do after closing, after closing, and have it to where that's all you have to do, and then you can get out of here sooner. So guys, I'll check back soon. Okay, so my phone is about to die because I've been filming all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just say goodbye to you guys now. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me this afternoon. If you have any questions about like anything that came up or being a barista or anything like that, please let me know. And I gotta go, bye. Okay, you guys, it is now just after 6. I took my jacket off because I just finished cleaning the stand and I get very sweaty when I do that. I wanted to show you guys the stand really quickly now that it's all clean and ready for the morning. So obviously don't mind this. This is all coming with me. Everything is clean and restocked. I did the till. Everything is ready to go for the morning. I did all the dishes. We leave these rags here to dry out. All the dishes are done and put back. I cleaned the machine, locked up all the windows. Everything is ready to go. Actually, I'm gonna put but yeah, pretty much the goal here is really just to stock it for the morning because they're gonna have like people off to work type of rush. So the only thing I have left to do is lock up on my way out and set the alarms. But I hope you guys enjoyed. So I will see you next time. Bye.